Maya Pabengi Kabalen, Maya Pabengi Pampanga, Yako Pay JM De Jesus, ning CLTV 36.
At yako naman po Grace Rutaw, iba't naman po kang Provincial Information Office ning Pampanga.
Live na live tamong ngayon ng Kingsborough Convention Center at tangeni. Kaya betala kalupa ng penga ko tamo nandin with our special guest host. Pakisabihan tala metong ring may award na kening Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awards 2023. And mumuna kasabi tamo ing Mocha for Education Mr. Bernardo P. Simon.
Hello sir, good evening.
Good evening po.
How happy are you today?
Well, I feel great. It's awesome to be here. Yeah,
Sir,
with the Mocha night. Apo.
Sir, gaano ka-happy? Anong epekto sa'yo nitong award na to na mismong mga kabalen mo ang nagpaparangal sa'yo, nagbibigay-pugay sa mga naging kontribusyon at ambag mo?
Yes, of course, this is a great challenge for me that my more than 40 years of service and then after 10 years of retirement from DepEd, suddenly I was nominated for this and luckily am selected as one of the most outstanding Kapampangan for this year, 2023.
Yes, sir. Ano naman po nararamdaman natin nung na-nominate tayo at in-announce eventually na tayo ang napili ng Mocha for Education for this year?
Yeah, initially, I just took it parang ganun lang.
Casually.
Nung pinapirma sa akin yung nomination form, I never expect and realize that something great would happen. Something great like this one. That I will be awarded this most outstanding Kapampangan in the field of education.
Ano naman pong masasabi nyo doon sa challenge po kanina ni former President Doria Macapagal-Arroyo na sana ay magkaroon ng ambag at maging bahagi kayo sa pagsulong ng Pampanga po?
Yeah, actually, my career as an educator for our young students, the tertiary and the graduate school. Now I am also the council member of the National Anti-Poverty Commission for the senior citizen sector. So I am thinking that and planning that as a response to the challenge, I would be doing my best to educate our seniors, especially in their aging, the aging process, that life is still worth living after retirement and in this age of senior
years.
in our lives.
Nakakapangilabot, no? Kasi
Yes.
talagang nangyayari yan, feeling ng ating mga medyo nasa prime of their lives na tapos na ang kanilang pag-aambag, ang kanilang contribution sa society.
Kasi nga yung parang nasa twilight, no? Years na kami, as if everything would be parang naghihintay na lang ng ganon. No, for me, I will still reinvigorate them na we are still worth member of this society, that we can still share something. Yun ang aking advocacy ngayon, to help our seniors, just like I did with our school children before. So this time, we are giving more meaning to the remaining life of our lives.
Wow.
Yeah, ganun na yun.
That's very, very nice, no? Parang empowering them again, no?
Exactly. As a matter of fact, yung ating sa entrepreneurship, si Ma'am, si Sir Philip, yeah. Sabi ko sa kanya, I will be communicating with them kasi yung livelihood program ng mga seniors, gusto ko maano yan para magkaroon ng maging busy pa rin sila and maging productive member of the society.
That's very nice. Thank you very much, sir. Ang ganda po ng advokasya nyo.
Yes.
That's beyond po your na profession, kumbaga.
Actually, last night I just talked with our the municipal secretary because I proposed during the conference of this National Anti-Poverty Commission that each municipality, city would have a geriatric center, no, to cater on especially for our aging population.
Elders. Yes, that's good.
This is what you call passion, Kabalen.
True,
So,
true. Tama ka dyan, through the
Managinip
fire.
ka na rin lang, managinip ka na ng
Itaas-taas
mataas.
na.
Anyway, wala namang bayad yung sabi.
Tama, tama. At sana dumami pa ang katulad ni Sir.
Yes.
Oh,
So,
thank
ayan.
you very much.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
very much
Thank you
po.
so much, sir.
And congratulations, sir.
Congratulations.
Well deserved.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Thank you, sir.
po.
Salamat
And
po.
right now, Miss Gracie,
Yes,
from
po.
one
Thank you.
Mocha awardee, punta naman tayo sa isa pa.
To another.
Yes, ito naman ang most outstanding Kapampangan awardee for sports.
Sports.
Santaya, Mark Joseph R. Ocampo.
Alam naman natin yung mga Kapampangan talagang competitive.
Yes,
Pagdating sa
latest
sports.
tamong ikwaing Pampanga Giant Lanterns MPBL National
Yeah, the
Cup.
G Lanterns.
Ngayon
And now we have
Mark Joseph Ocampo ing Mocha awardee for sports. Sir, nanong penamdaman mo anyang kumbaga syempre itamasanting nga balita din tang kaya ka. Are you expecting this o talagang may bigla ka, may gulo kay baking bale o nano?
Definitely may gulo kami kayong bale uling it is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah.
Tutunan po niyan I'm praying for this talaga uling balo ko naman since year 2000 linob ko kayong mundo na ng sports. I do know that and I do believe that sports can change one's life.
tama.
Takakit ko, maswerte ko, meging metong kong kabalen, kapampangan, kapamilatanan ng governor damo, talagang midinan kaming chance para mipalawot, mika chance, mamyalong karang miyayaliwang lugar kaya ti Pilipinas. During that time, high school ko, Mayor Mia Palubaw, at akakita naman po ngeni na yung suporta na kayong sports at kung gano'y ka hands-on kayong sports, bang kanita agrom nala talaga rin. Kaya nakalupa ko na lumawot kayong nanumang bisyo at midenan masanting nga pami biyebye. O iting number one, pa-prioritize na ning kaya katamong mala governor. At kami kayong Lubao, uling talagang Lubao are competitive talaga when it comes to sports, lalo na kayong alma mater ko, kayong Santa Cruz Academy of Lubao Incorporated.
Shout out.
Thank you po kayong opportunity, pauli na ning athletic scholarship. May kapag-aral ko hanggang miras kong college kayong Rizal Technological University, hanggang miras ko kayong Philippine National Team, at may kapag-serve ko internationally kayong Pilipinas Sepak Takraw, kayong Asian Sepak Takraw Federation, at syempre kayong mundo na ng sports, rin teammates ko, rin coaches ko, rin hanggang maging akayabe ko, kareng team apekyabayan ko. Shout out ngan kay kayo. Para kay
Shout out.
katamoy ni. Kayong coach, kareng coaches ko, kang Sir Raul, kay Coach Mike, and ring AUF Great Danes boys. Thank you po kay kayo, kayong pamag-mold kay kami, bang kanita ako ni. Pasalamat ko pong maragul kay kayo at kareng family ko.
Ayan. Sabi nga ni Sir, para siyang answered prayer at isang maagang pamasko para sa iyo. Congratulations, sir. Thank you
sir.
very much.
Well deserved. Okay.
Actually, early birthday gift ni God. Birthday ko po bukas.
Ay, happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday,
Happy
sir.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Shout out sa
out.
kumpare ko, sa business partner ko, si Hernan Vizcaino ng Republic 23, Shop Sports.
Ayan. Nakapag-promote pa si Sir, di ba? Why not?
Okay.
Sige, thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Lastly, sa mayor namin, kay Ma'am Esmeralda Pineda. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am. Para sa inyo po to, Bayan ng Lubao. Kaya katamo
Mabuhay.
yung ampuy ni.
Mabuhay.
Salamat po.
Mabuhay ka, sir, at sana lahat ng kabataan ay
Yes.
lumaki at maging kagaya mo. No? Thank you very much,
Thank you so much, sir.
Salamat
Happy
po.
birthday.
Thank you po.
Ayan na.
Next naman.
Next naman po
Siyempre,
natin.
tuloy-tuloy na to, tuloy-tuloy na. Ang ating kikilalanin naman ay ang Outstanding Honorary Kapampangan, si Sir Ireneo Alvaro Jr., PhD. Hello, sir.
Good evening and
Good evening.
congratulations.
Up. Watch your step. Yan. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Unang-una, kagaya po ng mga tanong namin, what do you feel? How do you feel right now?
Unexplainable because naatso Kaya rin Kapampangan?
Opo.
Kapampangan ko eh.
Wow, kapampangan tamo nga, mga kapampangan tamo.
Aldoning Kapampangan.
At uwa niya, niya, siyempre sobrang tula. Uling, mumuna may asahan din eh. Ngayon pala, akit da ka pala, diyang makasalikod ka na. At kaya pamanakit da kaya ka, uitapin, masaya ako. At pakikwanan kong i-prove na deserve kaya talaga ito.
Opo.
More.
Opo. Nano nga sabi you, sir, kitang amon na po ng dati tamong presidente nandin na sana makapag-ambag ko pa kimpamanyulong na ng probinsya Kapampangan.
Nung ikitmitan kay kunan din itang recording, sabi ko pin ining galalay ni it's pushing me to do more.
To do more, to exert more.
Yeah, at i-best kay best ko.
Wow.
Buri nang sabihan ita katutok ng
Push your limits.
Ay, yes,
Ay,
yeah.
wow, ang ganda naman yun. The best of the best, kumbaga. Yan. And you are one of the best because you're in Mocha, di ba?
Opo.
Ito yung mga finest,
po,
kumbaga.
salamat po.
Congratulations,
Sir, congratulations,
At
sir.
sana ipagpatuloy mo pa yan, sir. You make us proud. Thank you very much, sir. Salamat. Thank you very much
sir.
po.
Congratulations again,
Thank
sir.
you po. Salamat
And
po.
right now, ausantan naman po in kaya katamong Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awardee for Visual Arts, Mr. Edwin D. Layon. Sir,
Ito,
good evening.
kababayan na naman
Congratulations.
namin to. From Guagua, Betis Guagua, Pampanga. Yan, shout out sa mga taga Guagua.
Okay, sir. Right now, sa katulad ng mga tinatanong natin, kalupa din yung kukutang miging aliwa kasi usually
Yaliwala reactions, eh. no?
Yaliwala reaction. So, ika sir, nung nanda ka, ano naman yung maging reaction mo the moment na balo mo na Mocha Awardee ko for this year?
Siyempre, mabigla ka. Mo isipan na maging outstanding Kapampangan ka, nabirihan ng award mo kanyan. Kasi malagad na rin ikaka-opportunity dyan ng award. Lalo na kaya Pampanga, malawak kayo nga Pampangan, dakala tao kayo nga tao.
Sir, nang nga sabi yung medyo diri taknopin po detang mandukit keng lugar yo pero ini kikilalanan da pa rin deng obra yo reng ambagyo ating gelingan dareng taga Betis keng Santa Ursula Betis po.
Actually, yung advocacy aming Kong Willie yan, itang kailangan
Patuloy.
kaya mo mate,
mamamate.
ing pamandukit. Kanya ngayon, manuro kay ngaretang new generation, detang ba yung lulto mandukit, susuportan milabangan ta, dakal na papinding kay industriya ng pamandukit.
Sir, nanong piyaliwa dareng obra dareng taga Betis, kareng obra dareng taga aliwang lugar.
Keng kaye, paite, okay, kasi metong yung natin mo ng mandukit, more on contemporary lang kasi, hindi paite. Pero kaya nga tao, Pampanga, kaya Pamagsanto, mas lang biyasa rin kaya nga tao, kaya furnitures, basta kaya dotong dakal tao po piling ay biyasa nagetigang Pampanga.
Sir, nanong po yung mensahe yung karetang aspiring tamong artist mo naman ken na itapin isipan da ala namang kabiyayan kay makanini di taknay makanini nanong po yung mensahe yung karela.
Yan nasasawang kumbaga na magsaliksik lalo ng yan lapo magkasangit pati ng internet. Inyang panahon mi kaya mo imagination.
So makagtako pa nga taba utak niya, sir.
Kasi
Makaawa na ako, bala mo sa.
kasi nga nita limbawa ating paggawa ngayon gawa mo kay Kristo imagination.
Ketang perspective mo na, sir.
Nung panangayikot nang may pagawa, nung nanong burina, nung aksyon. Ngayon kasi click niya mo atin eh.
Yeah, instant na.
Kaya magkasagit din new generation.
Yes.
Pamandogit niya.
Last message niyo po, sir. Anong feeling? Nag-ano na ba sa'yo? Nagsisink in na ba sa'yo? Yung pagpanik mo kanina sa stage at pagtanggap mo ng award?
Siyempre, halong kakarib ka sa halo. Tsaka masaya.
Kabog-kabog yan eh, sir.
Wow. Lalo na niyang inausda ko, aliwa pala ako yung pangamugay. Tambing na akong kinarib sa halo kanina.
Congratulations,
Congratulations,
sir.
sir.
And we understand the feeling.
Yeah.
Thank
Have a
you very
good
much.
night, sir.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you po.
Right now, ausantan na maning Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awardee king Law Enforcement, Police Lieutenant Colonel Lenny B. Pangilinan.
Yes, importante yung kaya katamong peace and order. Lalo na kayong progreso na ning kaya katamong probinsyang Kapampangan, di ba? Kaya metong yaka rin tutukan na naman ng Provincial Government of Pampanga. At kaya ba tayo ngeni, yung metong kareng susi. Anya masanti niya po yung peace and order situation po ng probinsya ni Pampanga, i-Police Lieutenant Colonel Lenny Pangilinan. Ma'am, na ano po yung feeling kay pamanok yatyo, kay stage nandin, pamananggap yu, kay tanggalal yu, bilang most outstanding Kapampangan.
Actually po, may kapag-sinkin kasi
Ali pa.
yung metong
Ando tanda ka, ma'am.
yung metong simpleng poliswoman po ng probinsya Kapampangan na may dinan niyang galal na maragol pong kapasalamatan at may recognize na po.
Na nga sabi yung ma'am, syempre, deng aliwa, dakal babatikos, kareng aliwa tamong abe, kabaro. Pero atin pa naman, mas dakal laretang gagawang mayap, kalupay ko.
Ako naman po, itamo po ala ko ito at yung babatikos pero po digil kareta mas marakala pa po reng kapulisan sa sawo patmanang tabi at gaya po ning okasyon na ini nung nagdidinan dala pong galal datang kay katamong kapulisan maragula sawo para king peace and order na ni probinsya ni Pampanga.
Makanano ka ka-proud na metong mga Kapampangan, ma'am?
Sabi nga rin po, Kapampangan ko pag maragul ko, lalo na po yako, dagol at bayit po keti, proud na proud ko po, lalo na kay katamong progreso, ng kay katamong Pampanga. Kakitaya po ito.
Ano naman ning mensahe mo karing kabaro tamo na gawon ding inspirasyon ining award ay kwata ang ban kanita sa lesson na pa yung obra alida paboren di kaya katamo kabalen at sigurado in peace and order kining probinsya masalesaya palagi.
Opo, karen pong kalupa kong magserbisyo para lalong panatilihin yung katamong katahimikan kining probinsyang Kapampangan. Ini po bonus niya mo po. Ini po party niya po ning obra mi. Nung ini po ni dinandanggalal kumbaga po bonus niya mo po kay kami. Mas lalo may pa pong gawan ing obra mi para king balen ning Pampanga.
Ang ganda naman noon. Kasanting na po nita, talagang sasabihan na, ini obra mo. Alang halong magimbot kung nano manggalal, obra mo yung gagawan da, at masanting na kilalanan da, bonus na mong pima. Maraming salamat po, congratulations sa bonus mo. Thank you very much, Lieutenant Colonel Lenny Pangilinan. Thank you po, Madam.
At syempre, yung kaorasan naman na ini, tayo palagpasan, yung akakwentuhan mo naman na nabengi. Ang point share mo man na ning Pampanga, Week of Pampanga Day Celebration,
Yes.
na i-PM Maylene Pineda kaya biyag.
Yes. Siya po ay walang kapaguran. Araw-araw po. Kaya nandito siya. Punong abala sa ating mga selebrasyon dito sa Pampanga Day. Just to make sure na magiging masaya, magiging kakaiba at memorable tatatak sa puso at isip ng bawat Kapampangan na magiging proud ang bawat Kapampangan. Nasabi ko na lahat, BM. Yes. Yes, BM. Ano masasabi mo? Finally, eto na. Tapos na. Naitawid natin lahat with flying colors. What can you say? Congratulations, very successful. Sabi ko nga, wala na siyang nasabi kasi pagod na pagod. Wala pong kapaguran na ating BM. Lagi yan from the opening until closing. Yes po.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, lahat ng mga kasama natin sa Kapitolyo, lahat ng mga bayan, mga mayors, tourism officers, lahat ng sumuporta sa lahat ng programa natin. Hindi ito magiging successful kung wala sila. Hindi ko kayang mag-isa to, hindi lang po ako nagplano nito. Naging tumanggap lang ako ng mga suggestions. At sabi ko nga tayo mga Kapampangan, pag nagtulungan talagang maganda ang resulta.
Tama.
At ngayong gabing ito, sa MOCA awardee, awarding natin ng 2023, ito yung pinakapaborito kong parte, sa totoo lang.
Bakit?
Kasi sa gabing ito, o itong huling araw ng Aldoning Kapampangan, lalo akong nai-inspire na maging isang mabuting tao, magbigay parangal sa sarili ko, sa pamilya ko, at higit sa lahat, sa probinsya natin.
Oo, nakaka-proud naman.
Nakaka-proud.
Hindi lang kayo po.
Yes. Lahat ng awardees, they deserve the award. Talagang pinag-isipang mabuti ng ating mga judges at sana, sabi ko nga, hindi lang natatapos sa awarding ang gabing ito o sa pagtanggap nila ng award ngayong gabing ito, kung hindi maging tuloy-tuloy silang inspirasyon sa ibang tao, maging inspirasyon sa ibang tao, at gawin nilang proud ang Kapampangan kahit na hindi sa Pampanga, kung saan sila
Makarating.
makarating. At continue na maging inspirasyon lalong-lalo na sa susunod pang henerasyon.
Wow. BM, sabi nila ang mga Kapampangan, sadya at likas na mayayabang. Pero kung tutuusin, itong week-long celebration natin ng Pampanga Day, dapat talagang ipagmayabang.
Yes.
Kasi meron tayong ipagmamayabang talaga.
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo doon, BM? Mayabang
yes,
ka
totoo
ba?
yan.
Mayabang
Totoo
tayo.
yan. Pagmamayabang ko na Kapampangan ako. Sabi nga, di ba, Kapampangan ko, pag maragol ko.
Oh,
At sa ating mga anak, sa mga susunod na henerasyon, sana pagbutihin niyo ang pag-aaral, no? Kasi gusto natin, kami nila Gov Delta, hindi habang buhay nandito kami, Gracie. Kaya ang gusto namin, ang Kapampangan, makapag-aral lahat. Kung maaari, makatapos ng high school o kung posible hanggang kolehiyo. Kaya yung programa natin, pagtulong sa mga estudyante, kahit sa mga college students, di ba? Kasi gusto natin na pag sila ay talagang haharap na sa totoong laban ng buhay, kung po pwede ang makukuha din ng trabaho, yung pinakamaganda.
tama.
Ang daming negosyo ngayon dito sa Pampanga na nagtatayuan. Bakit pababayaan natin na iba pang lahi ang makakakuha
Tama.
ng magagandang pwesto, magagandang trabaho?
Opportunity.
Hindi tayo ng mga Kapampangan, di ba?
Tama,
So,
tama.
kaya ganun na lang ang suporta natin ng provincial government headed by Governor Dennis Pineda at lahat ng ni si Vice Gov Nanay, lahat ng board members pagdating sa tulong sa mga estudyante, miski sa mga nagbo-board exam, di ba?
Yeah. Oo, may binibigay
nakaka-proud na ang daming pumapasang mga board passers na Kapampangan.
Pati review.
Oo,
Binibigyan ng pang-review. Lahat na, di ba? Kaya walang dahilan para sabihin nila na hindi sila makakatapos na pag-aaral
Yes.
dahil maraming opportunities.
Yes.
Tinututukan po ng provincial government ang edukasyon, pati ang kalusugan ng bawat Kapampangan dahil gusto nila malusog ang lahat ng Kapampangan. Gaano po nakakatulong BM? Yung buo yung suporta from the head, from the governor, down to the board members, down to the municipal mayors. Gaano ka-importante yun?
Kasi pag may teamwork, lahat ng bagay na o iisang direksyon ninyo, madaling gawin, mabilis.
Tama, tama.
Pero kung hindi tayo magkakasundo-sundo, iba-iba ang gusto natin, iba-iba pananaw natin, hindi natin pinipili na magkasundo-sundo para sa kapakanan ng nakakarami, wala tayong mararating.
Kumbaga, kung may sariling interes,
Yeah.
walang mararating.
So, dito sa Pampanga yan ang pinagmamalaki ko.
yes.
Pinagmamalaki ko kahit sa ibang bayan.
Tama, tama.
Dito, nagkakaisa tayo.
Iisa ang
So,
direksyon.
Yes, iisa ang direksyon at kailangan iisa ang goal. Makatulong sa mga Kapampangan.
Last na lang. Ano pong last message nyo sa mga kabalan natin? Finally, tapos na lang itong celebration natin ng Pampanga Day.
At last.
At last.
Hindi po. Sa ating pong mga viewers, maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay ninyo sa selebrasyon ng Aldoning Kapampangan o Aldoning Kapampangan Week. Actually, long week celebration.
Week long.
At sana po sa ating pong mga anak, sa ating susunod pang henerasyon, ituro pa rin po natin at wag sana pong mawala yung pagmamahal natin sa kultura ng Kapampangan.
Tama. Thank you very much,
Dakal pong
BM.
salamat.
At sana makapagpahinga ka na.
Ay, hindi. Kayo ang alam kong pag-usapan.
not as hardworking. Hindi po. Ano lang ito? Illusion. Thank you very much, BM po. Salamat po.
Para
Thank
sa
you po.
Pampanga po lahat,
Yes.
kayang gawin. Ayan, Daraka po salamat, BM Mylene Pineda.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Chairwoman
Yes.
ng Pampanga Day Celebration or Pampanga Week
Celebration. Siya po ang punang abala. Siya po si BM Mylene Pineda Cayabyab. Yan po. Next naman, may makakausap pa po tayong thank you
so
po,
much
BM.
And right now, akasabi tayo naman ang outstanding Kapampangan overseas Filipino worker and Gracie, inipya ka mo munang talagang may award na OFW.
Yeah,
Yung
bagong
Dr.
category ito.
Yes, Dr. Mary Jane Alvero Almadi. Good evening po,
Yan.
ma'am, and congratulations.
Congratulations
How
po.
does it feel na kayo po ang unang-unang nakatanggap ng award para sa bagong category na ito?
Yeah, actually, when I was nominated, I was like, I did not expect it kasi Krisha, I met her during the Halal Tourism Forum. So maybe I have made a difference in that time when I have given training, provided training for the Association of the Hotel and Restaurants and Tourism, something like that. So then she called me, she asked for my credentials and then she told me na baka i-underestimate ko daw yung award. I said, why? Then, kasi nga raw maliit lang. Sabi ko, no. Sabi ko, as long as this award is not a money-making award, yes, I will receive it. And then, sabi niya, pinigyan niya ako ng birth certificate. So, yes. And then, so I needed to go to the statistics office and also, fortunately, yes. Now, ito kasing award that is very important for me because my mom died already, my grandparents, my parents also. But my aunties and uncles, they're all very excited for me to receive the award and they're very proud of it because they are Pampangueños and we have a very big family and we are all achievers, so praise God. So, and this award is a symbol or the legacy of my grandparents. This is a validation that we've been brought up very well. Yes.
Ma'am, anong feeling ng pag-akyat mo doon?
Yes, when they called me, actually when I was myself listening to my speech, like I wanted to cry already because you know what? I don't speak fluent Kapampangan, but I understand everything. So I told my secretary, translate this for me, and also I even corrected her, she's Kapampangan. And then half, I spoke it in English, but thank God, and I'm really thankful for the organizers, for MOCA, for you guys. Really, the event is really grandeur. It's not an ordinary event. It's, yes, very prestigious, and I'm really proud that I've been nominated and been awarded. Actually nga, kahit nominated lang, that's more than enough for me. But umakyat pa with the other achievers, with the government officials. Wow, it's really, and you see people are wearing colorful clothes, very artistic, and really, nainggit nga ako sana, oh my God, where did they get these clothes? Yes. Yes, so it's very nice. So thank God, praise God, and congratulations to the other awardees. This award is really very important for me, and I'm really proud na binigay niyo to sa akin because this is the legacy of my parents and grandparents.
Ang ganda naman, no, in honor of her parents, itong award na to. That's very nice to hear. Ma'am, any
The
last...
whole family.
Opo. Baka meron po kayong gustong batiin, mga gustong pasalamatan?
Okay, so I would like to thank first Krisha, yes, for trusting me, and then praise God, and I would like to thank everyone, all of you, the MOCA, and then the MOCA awardees also. They're all having a good heart, also very humble. So I'm now one of their circle. So I hope I will not disappoint anyone.
Definitely.
Yes, to be a role model. Yeah.
Because you're one of the best, that's why you're chosen. Thank you very much,
you very
madam.
much. Congratulations
Thank you.
again po.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Thank you. And nandito naman po tayo. Ang next naman po, I see.
Mr. Joseph Ian M. Canlas, ang ating awardee from emerging category na sa finance. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. Congratulations once again.
Congratulations, mabuhay.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi
How
po.
are you?
I'm very good. Standing next to you.
Okay, sir. Anong penamdaman mo, anong naramdaman mo nung nabalitaan mo na you're one of the awardees for this year's MOCA?
Naku, I mean, my experience actually was documented in my acceptance video. Minausa po ka ako yung Mayor Me, no? So magpasalamat ko, hingi ko po akalingwan, yung sinabi na kako, actually sinabi na, may this award serve as an inspiration as well as, I mean, for me to continue moving on. Kasi, well, actually, I still consider myself as someone who still have a long way to go. Balo ko po, dakal ko pang agawa at saka more stories to tell, no, as they say. But this is something that really will inspire me in the future.
Sir, ano ang masasabi mo? Ano yung response mo dun sa challenge mo ni dating presidente regarding dun sa sana mag-ambag pa kayo sa pagsulong ng Pampanga?
Ay, totoo po ito I think itamo nga, no, in our own selves, no, has a responsibility in a way, no, to contribute, no, lalo na Kim Pampanga. If you would look at the awardees at the moment, no, MU Kim Pampanga, I think in Saupda. But I think, no, really more on ikami may ako na, lalo na ako may galing ko po Kim Pampanga. I mean, my talent, my capabilities is something that I could share, as well as sabi ko rin, no, hopefully this is something that would inspire also the younger generations. I wanted to and I hope to lead, to mentor, as well as to teach the younger ones. In linya ko po kasi, I'm actually a certified public accountant, no, by profession. And if you would look at it, no, CPA in dalawenda palagi or sa subjanda, really more on numbers, no, financial statements, bookkeepers, and so on, no. But I wanted to tell everyone that you could do more, no, in addition, no, to your original profession. I am an internal auditor and external auditor. I am a consultant by profession also, looking into or assisting public and private organizations, no, both LGU sometimes in gobyerno mo rin, in terms of helping them to improve their controls, risk management, medyo technical na ata. But I think ito pong makanta is something that, I mean, we could share. Sana po, no, there are ways for us to help each other in terms of teaching the younger ones, no, and even the institutions that we have here in Pampanga.
Teaching and learning, although kingakakit ko at panandam ko kaya ka, sir, talagang may kabuntok na, sir.
Ay, nga sabi ko mo po, actually, yung parents ko, both public school teachers la, so the value of education was really instilled in me. Ako po, anong tawag doon, matalino, but I would say that I am hardworking and patient also. Masipag mag-aral. If you really want to dream and you want to achieve something, go for it, no? Na ako pong kasaya uling some of my, I consider them as mentors, them pong aging teachers ko, as well as my friends and colleagues, no, way back in high school, ikit ko po ngeni. Ilang, contributed actually to where I am at the moment.
Thank you very much, sir. Salamat po and congratulations po sa award
once
ninyo
again.
and advance Merry
Yes,
Christmas.
advance Merry Christmas, sir. Have a good night, sir.
Have a good night. Thank you. And enjoy the prize and the award.
Yes.
Thank you po. Salamat
So
po.
right now, Ms.
Moving
Gracie,
forward.
inapahintawlita mo nga kasabi for the MOCA awardees for tonight. In MOCA for Entrepreneurship, in Miss Isabella Timadalastas Watanabe.
Watanabe. Hello,
Ma'am,
madam.
good evening.
The lady in red.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am. Here
Take
po
the
tayo.
center stage. Yan.
Oh, yan, ma'am. So you look dashing tonight. Ang
Ay,
bango
ngayon.
din ng sampagita.
Yes, yes. Para kang kasama ng sampagita na nagbo-bloom. Nako, humahalimuyak.
Ay.
Yes, ma. How are you feeling right now?
Oh, I'm really, really so happy. Especially I have my family with me. My son especially. Tapos, madaming mga awards kasi before. So many actually. But then parang, this is something na, kasi Kapampangan, di ba? So it's a culmination.
Bakit aliwayin?
Ali kasi, nanangkarakal ni. Actually, there's one awardee. What baliw kayo lagyuin ni nga ako. We met in 2013 in San Francisco and we were awarded one of the 100 most influential women, Filipina women in the world.
Wow.
So parang, that's it, di ba? Pero ito, parang, Kapampangan ko mga Kapampangan niya, tatang ko, kay ba't dugumete na lang tang, I say po, culmination, really, really. I think parang this is it. I don't wish for anything anymore.
Ma'am, nung daramdaman na ka po rin may ngari mo, receiving this award, nano po yung buri mong sabyang karena?
Ay, salamat kaya ganaganang Pama Grace na kaya kami may kakapatad. At saka, may straya kasi mga ko tiro na kaya siguro masalese. Salamat, ma. Thank you. She's watching us. They're watching over me pa rin hanggang Mete Norugo. Nakasalamat. Ne?
Ma'am, anong mensahe niyo sa ating mga kabataan ngayon?
Yes.
How to be you?
Actually, no. My son said, kasi katang speech ko, sabi ko rin mong kalaguran ko talaga. Rin ka na akong kaklasing elementary pong high school. Tutuitam. Inya nga ti kami UP. Kami paburi mi kakaliguran. Mag-meet kami regularly. Then my son said, Ma, and he's 33 years old. How were you able to keep in touch with each other? Wala namang Facebook, wala namang social media. Sabi ko, anak, that is something to think about. So sabi ko, your friends are your cell phones. Kami, no, we meet face to face, we eat together, we make chismis together, and recall the happy days during high school. Sinong crush mo, sinong whatever. I don't know if they do it. These young people, no. I don't think so.
Bituran ko yata, Ken.
Ay, totoo ta. Totoo talaga. Kami talaga. Netang nakipami kahalugod po tang ating sakit. Mag-raise kaming fans. Alang magsabi kaya kami. Sumap kami karang flood victims. Ating kay sarili-sariling tang core group mga niyan. Salamat talaga, ne.
Ma'am, last na mo po. Baka meron po kayong gustong batiyan. Ating po pong buring pasalamatan. Kung hindi na po yung chance.
Itapong mig-nominate ka na kay Dennis Sun. He was a former awardee. Salamat talaga kaya summa cum laude ya UPT. Oneng tinggap kayong application na yan from my sister who works with the Osaka Tourism Office. So I filled it up. Then, lumaya pala yung application form. Ayak naman balo yung award ay ni. Ali-ali ka talaga balo. So may nagal kami, one day before, mag-submit kami. So isip ko, this is something Renggang Kapampangan should know. Nung karakal pa rin deserving, alwa naman siguro kami muna. So, sumauta mo.
Thank you very much. Salamat po. And stay pretty.
Yes.
Ay, thank you very much. Salamat po. Thank you po.
Thank you
And
po.
congratulations, ma'am. Well deserved. Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you very
Ayan,
much. Ayun po.
Maka-inspire naman. Totoo. Ayan, thank you po. Maka-inspire naman, Miss Gracie, kasi
True.
nung aramdaman mo, aliwala kwento, pero metong yamo yung goal eh. Talagang pakit yung tunay, gailinganan ng meto ang Kapampangan. Andiyan na anumang field natin tamo.
And to make Pampanga proud. Ne? At ikita mo naman ngeni na nanulamang panahon minyambut, nanulamang siguro dekada rin, at sula pa mo rin daratang lakeni, bang makisan metong at maging proud, pare-parehong proud. A Kapampangan, isulong in kulturang Kapampangan at isulong in progreso kaya ti Pampanga.
Ayan, sa bentana yung galing ang Kapampangan, magpasalamat ko kang Mr. Rich Sabinian and King Cut and Comb Barbershop para king kakong buwak ang poking outfit niya ni.
Ako pasalamat ako mga Marlon Tuazon para king kanakong gown ngeni at king kanakong makeup under ya po kang Georgina Gabrilio. Ayan, thank you very much po. Salamat.
Ayan, pasibayo sa saratan po yung Pampanga Week celebration, pero syempre abangan tayo po. Yung kaliwa pang celebration kasi December babayat yun. Dakal pang aktibidad kaya ni Pampanga.
Dakal. This is just the start of a very, very festive December Christmas celebration here in Pampanga.
Okay. Yan po, magpaalam na kami. Pasibayo ako po J.M. De Jesus ng CLTV 36.
At yako naman po Grace Rutao, iba't po keng Provincial Information Office ng Pampanga.
Dakal pong salamat, Maya Pabengi. Pusong Bakabalan.